My name is Peter Scheuer. I'm the Commercial Director at Texcel Technology. We've been trading for about 43 years, turn over about £15 million and offer a contract design manufacturing service to a wide range of customers here in Dartford, England. When we went into surface mount some 15-20 years ago, we needed a machine which was flexible and reliable and had a good name in the marketplace, so we chose Europlacer. We've been a customer of Europlacer now for 20 years, and we've recently just bought two brand new machines, which we're very, very pleased with. We now have 7 Europlacer machines, and they do meet the goal of flexibility for us. One of the lines we have here has 3 machines, giving us a wide range of placements, and Europlacer is always able to help us move forwards with new ideas and new ways of doing things, which is really useful for us. So we need a machine, as I said before, which is flexible, can cope with a variety of parts, a large number of parts, and is a stable machine and a reliable machine, and that's important for us because we can't have dead time on our shop floor. Europlacer in terms of support and maintenance are really good. They've come along and helped us a lot, and they're always able to help at the end of a phone or an email and do that extra mile for us, which is great. So one of the other big advantages for us with the 2 new machines is we can use the old trolleys from the previous machines. So there's a big history of Europlacer of maintaining backward compatibility, software backward compatibility, and that's been really useful for us. So I would recommend Europlacer for other manufacturers, and in fact I know a lot of manufacturers who do use Europlacer, and everybody I know is very pleased with the machines and the support they get.